Novak Djokovic celebrated his 24th Grand Slam victory in style, adorned with an equally memorable timepiece, the Hublot Big Bang ceramic watch. This remarkable watch stands out not only for its exquisite design but also for its utilization of cutting-edge ceramic technology, ensuring extreme durability. Much like Novak himself, the Hublot Big Bang ceramic watch is a symbol of unmatched excellence, known for its striking colors and outstanding craftsmanship. This historic run of Grand Slam victories can only be paralleled by a horological icon like Hublot, a brand renowned for pushing the boundaries of watchmaking innovation and luxury. As Djokovic continues to etch his name in the annals of tennis history, he does so with a timepiece that reflects his unwavering commitment to excellence and a brand that shares his passion for pushing the limits of what is possible. The Hublot Big Bang ceramic watch, with its combination of advanced materials and timeless design, is a true testament to the enduring legacy of both Novak Djokovic and Hublot in their respective fields of expertise. Be part of history and own this timepiece, with Shiva's.